Samoa is a collection of 10 idyllic tropical islands situated in the South Pacific. It is easily accessible by plane from either Australia or New Zealand. Once you land in Samoa, visitors will be transported to another world where the weather is warm and tropical all year round, and the locals have a very friendly, relaxed style of life, far removed from the hectic bustle of modern cities. Upolu and Savaii are the two major islands in the group, where the majority of Samoa's standout attractions can be found. These are typified by stunning jungle mountain ranges, plunging waterfalls, ancient volcanoes, and sweeping beaches bordered by coral reefs and clear sparkling water. Beach valleys are a traditional and extremely common type of room to stay in and are almost always situated right on the beach. Other resorts offer typical Western styles of luxury accommodation. Samoa offers excellent value for money and is an ideal choice if you wish to relax in tropical paradise.